Good morning, grade 9 students. Today we are going to discuss about lesson number 1, power generation and energy loss. Let's start reading our memory verse. It's found in Ephesians 1 verses 19 to 20. It says, I also pray that you will understand the incredible greatness of God's power for us who believe Him. This is the same mighty power that raised Christ from the dead and seated him in the place of honor at God's right hand in the heavenly realms. So, what is our MBCA booster for today? It's here in the last page of our lesson 1 module, energy, power, and strength. Where does this energy, power, and strength come from? So, we can open our Bibles to Psalm 68 verses 28 to 35, and then what is this energy, power, and strength like? We can open our Bibles to John 19 verses 28 to John 20 verse 9, and then the third question is, how do we receive this energy, power, and strength? It's found in 1 Samuel 29 verse 1 and 1 Samuel 31 verse 13. So these questions are found in our in this website. Okay, and if you have time, you can create a prayer on energy, power, and strength. So today we'll start by enumerating our targets. First, infer that waves carry energy. Second, differentiate transverse from longitudinal waves and mechanical waves from electromagnetic waves. And then the last one is relate the characteristics of waves. So today we are going to ask or we are going to answer this question: how can we help the environment in putting up, maintaining, and using power plants? Okay, and then what are these power generations and energy losses, by the way? If we have seen, there are so many power plants around the world. These are samples of the pictures of power plants, like the use of the generators, the rotating machines, the electrical power, and the mechanical power. Okay, and then how do we turn these turbines? Okay, so we have here our renewable fossils. Renewable fossils means that we can use this in order for us to generate using burning fossil fuels. We have coal, the natural gas, and the petroleum. So we also have non-renewable fossil fuels. Okay, so these non-renewable fossil fuels are the coal, natural gas, and the petroleum. These are the advantages and these are the disadvantages. You can read it further in your module. And we also have this nuclear. All right, it constitutes 19% of the power of generation in the US. Okay. All right, power and energy. We have here power. Power represents with P. Okay. When 1 volt causes 1 ampere to flow in 1 watt, and then the power can be expressed in P is equal to V, all right, which is the volt, and multiply it with I, or the current. So this formula is also useful. Meanwhile, the equation that relates power and energy is this. Energy can be calculated to power times time. All right.